In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create statuses in ClickUp, Workflow Setup 2026. Statuses are the backbone of your workflow in ClickUp. They tell your team exactly where a task sits in the process, and when they're set up well, everything from boards to reports becomes clearer and faster to use. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, log into your ClickUp account. You can sign in with your email or continue with a connected social account. The choice is yours. Use whichever method your team has standardized, so you land in the correct workspace without any hiccups. After signing in, you'll arrive on your ClickUp homepage. Think of this as your command center. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation panel. This sidebar is where you'll find spaces, along with other areas like chat or messages, depending on your plan and setup. For what we're doing today, we'll focus on spaces, because statuses are managed at that level. Choose the space where you want these statuses to live. This is important because statuses created or edited at the space level typically apply to everything inside it, unless a folder or list overrides them. Hover your cursor over the space name to reveal the three dots icon, which opens the space options. Click that. From the menu that appears, select Task Statuses. This brings up the status configuration panel. Here, you'll see the default flow: not started, active, done, and closed. These represent the common lifecycle of a task. Not started is for anything queued up. Active is for work in progress. Done is for completed work that might still need a final glance. Closed is final. Use it when no more action is needed and the task can be archived from day-to-day views. Now, edit the statuses as needed. You can modify the colors of each status to match your team's conventions and make boards easier to scan. For example, keeping done in a calm green and closed in a muted tone helps everyone instantly recognize completion versus finalization. Keep names and colors consistent across spaces to reduce confusion and keep reporting clean. When you're happy with the configuration, make sure to apply your changes and save. Don't skip this part. Applying confirms the updates and saving locks them in so your team sees the new workflow right away. That's it. You've set up clear, color-coded statuses that guide every task from start to finish inside your space.